are you going? Go straight. Yep. Yeah. We are going to Japan. They're going. Sit down, sit down.
Finally. Bye. Dinner time.
Dinner time? What is your favorite food?
Teriyaki, of course.
Oh yeah. Going to Shin Osaka Station. Tong. Where are we going?
To the train.
Train station. Enzo. So, where are we going?
Legoland.
And what are we waiting for?
Blue train.
Woohoo! Where are you, Enzo?
Blue train. Shibuya crossing.
Go, 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 go!
Shibuya crossing. Shibuya crossing. Yes.
Go, 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 go!
Let's go.
Good job, pumpkin! You okay, Enzo? Train station!
Yeah.
Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go. Get it there. Go. Go. Go.
Go!
Go. Get your foot.
Uh-oh. Train station. In the train station. Oh, there's another one. Okay, Enzo, let's go. Drifting mode.
Hi. Going to the plane.
Japan.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go before I fall. Going to Terminal 3, animated road.
Oh, look, it's Pikachu.
Pikachu.
There's more.
Pikachu.
It's Pikachu.
Oh, there's a lot of Pikachus.
Oh yeah. Follow the Pikachu. Flying Pikachu and then Enzo Pikachu. Wow.
I'm not a Pikachu.
Ultimate Duo. What's this?
Charizard.
Blastoise. And this one is Venusaur.
Oh, there's more.
Oh yeah. Follow the Pokemon. Oh,
Level 2.
oh
Level
yeah.
3.
Ooh.
Oh my god, level 3.
Yeah.
Oh, Eevee.
Oh yeah.
Chicago.
Chigaros. Leaf Pokemon. Fire Pokemon. Oh. Haha. There's so many Pokemon. That's why it's called Anime Road. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Enzo, that's big. Legendary Pokemon. Use. Ta-dong. Pikachu, 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 Pikachu. Ah!
In the card. What are you doing?
Oh yeah. Pikachu, Pikachu.
I want to play.
Woo, night ride. Juleps.
Bye. Daddy,
Yes.
I can still eat with my eyes closed. Watch.
Oh, magic.
I like one of the skibbies because they have like eye protection.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh,
I
oh.
can nugget.
Ta-dong.
I'm gonna eat you. Bye.